Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel and this series, your go-to place for mastering Python programming. Today, we're diving into a super powerful concept in Python, args and kwargs. You've probably seen these in Python code, but what do they mean? And why are they so useful? By the end of this video, you'll know what args and kwargs are, how to use them with real-world examples, and why they make Python functions so flexible. So grab your coffee and let's dive right in. Before jumping into args and kwargs, let's quickly recap function arguments. In Python, a function can take positional arguments based in order, and keyword arguments passed with a name. But what happens when you don't know how many arguments your function will take? That's where args and kwargs come in. So let's explore them. Args allows you to pass a variable number of positional arguments to a function. Think of args as a way to bundle multiple arguments into a tuple. In the example, args collects all the arguments into a tuple so we can iterate or perform operations like sum here. In another example, team lead is a regular argument and team members bundles the rest of the arguments into a tuple. We can also use arg in mathematical operations. So with args, you can pass any number of arguments without changing the function definition. Now let's move on to kwargs. Kwargs stands for keyword arguments. It allows you to pass a variable number of named arguments to a function. These arguments are bundled into a dictionary. Here, in this example, kwargs gathers all the keyword argument into a dictionary and you can access them using dot items. In this second example, where we have mixed regular arguments and kwargs, the order ID is a regular argument where while items takes any additional named arguments. We can also use default value with kwargs. In this example, we use the get method to set a value or to set a default value if the key doesn't exist. What we can also do is combine args and kwargs in the same function. In this example, args handles the positional argument and kwargs manages the keyword arguments. Alright, we've covered a lot today. You learned what args and kwargs are, how to use them in various scenarios, and how they make your functions incredibly flexible. Now, here's your challenge. Write a function that accepts any number of positional and keyword arguments. Print the sum of all positional arguments and display all the keyword arguments. Share your solution in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more Python content, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, happy coding.